All right, let's try it again. TC Hawken, 500 grain, no excuses. This is the 6th shot without cleaning with 2F Swiss and under powder wad, over powder wad. Three in a row with the swinging for 3 in a row with the Hawken. 500 grain, no excuses. 80 grains at 2F Swiss, over powder wad, 200-yard gong. Well, I screwed up our last video. We were shooting through the scope from the house with this old Hawken here. I tried to buy one off muzzleloading for him. I wanted a Renegade because that butt pad hurts, but the seller wouldn't sell it to me. And down there is our little 10 by 14 gong. Fun old girl.